YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Strap TG back at it again. I'm here on home time. So my last video, we had a tire that was punctured and we got it fixed in Dallas at the TA, but they did a really bad job because that tire has been leaking for the past few days, and we've had to keep stopping almost every day to inflate that tire. So I'm home right now. I'm gonna have to get it fixed or just get it replaced. I have my DOT inspection to get done, and unless this tire is fixed or replaced, I'm gonna fail my DOT inspection. So I parked at a local Home Depot, so we're heading up there right now, me and my dad and my son, and I'm gonna show you guys what's going on, see if we can get it inflated, see what's up. I'm gonna be heading out early in the morning to the Loves, about 30 miles from me, so they can check it out. And that's about it, guys. So I'll let you guys see what's up. Man, you guys can see my truck is super dirty. No, that's not snow. It is super dirty. But this is a tire right here, guys. It is flat. I don't even know if it's off, but we're gonna try to get it inflated.
Can I take it up?
Yeah.
No, take it up.
No, I'm gonna try inflate it first. Can I go?
You have yours? Oh,
yeah, I'm gonna get the hose up. Yeah, guys, so that's the tire. I'm gonna get the tire inflator out, my air pressure gauge. We're gonna inflate it, see if it's gonna blow up. If it is, then I can drive it in the morning up to the Loves and get it replaced. So let's get at it. Yeah, guys, the tire is inflating, it's blowing up. Me and my son here just messing around. We cleaning out the truck, you know, it's home time. But the tire is inflating, so I'll be able to drive it in the morning. I'm filling it up right now, seeing that it's already inflating. And then I know when I come out early tomorrow morning, I'm gonna have to put some more air in it. It's fine. I want to see how far it gets and how fast it leaks out, because it's been parked for the last 2 days. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Alright, guys, so it's inflating. We got it up to 105 psi, so we just gotta get it up some more, but everything is good on it so far. Let's see what happens after we come back in. Alright, guys, what's up? We're at the Loves off of 27. We're gonna have them check out the tire and see what's going on. Hopefully they can get it fixed and we don't have to get a brand new tire. And also we'll see what's up. Alright, guys, so they said they don't repair tires that's already been repaired, so we're gonna have to get a brand new tire on the truck. Didn't want that, but that's what's gonna have to happen, so let's get at it. Alright, so it's a brand new tire, guys. It's all good.